Hello grade 10 students and welcome to our lesson. Our lesson today is about healthy body weight. Last time, we explained that our weight depends on the amount of calories that we consume. If the amount of calories or the number of calories consumed is equal to the number of calories burned, our body will maintain the current weight. Whereas, if the number of calories consumed is greater than the number of calories burned, then the body will gain weight. And if the number of calories consumed is less than the number of calories burned, so the body will lose weight. Let's first look at our objectives for today. By the end of the lesson, you as students should be able to first, determine what is meant by healthy body weight. Second, calculate the body mass index, BMI. Our key terms for today are healthy body weight and body mass index. Let's read together the following paragraph to answer the questions below. Question 1. Determine what is meant by healthy body weight. According to the paragraph, a healthy body weight is the weight that prevents an individual from diseases risks. So, by maintaining a healthy body weight, you lower the risk of developing serious health problems and diseases. Deduce what is the best way used to determine the healthy body weight. In order to determine the healthy body weight, the best way is to measure the body mass index or the BMI. Let's watch the video to answer the following questions.
And measuring overweight and obesity. Body mass index, BMI, is used to classify weight. It is calculated as the ratio of weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. That is, BMI is equal to weight in kilograms divided by height in meters squared. How about calculating your own one? The table gives the classification. If you're underweight, less than 18.5, normal weight is 18.5 to 24.99. If you're overweight but not obese, starting to worry, is just above the 25, but when you get to 30, it is classified as class 1 obese, and above 35 is class 2 obese. Class 3 is over 40. The BMI does not necessarily reflect body fat distribution or describe the same degree of obesity in different population groups.
So we deduce from watching the video that the BMI is a screening tool that can indicate whether a person is underweight or if he have a healthy weight, excess weight, or if he is obese. This number can help doctors to track the health of the individual. Since a healthy weight means a healthy person, let's start now by the questions. What does BMI mean? The BMI is defined as the body mass in kilograms divided by the square of body height in meters. How can we calculate the BMI? So the BMI is calculated by dividing the weight in kilograms by the square of height in meters square. BMI depends on two factors. List them: weight and height. BMI don't give exact idea about fat nor health, since it doesn't reflect the location or the amount of fat in the body. It just provides an easy way to measure obesity. Study the table to answer the following questions. So the following table shows the standard weight categories associated with BMI ranges for adults. A BMI, for example, less than 18.5 indicates that you are underweight, so you may need to put on some weight. A BMI between 18.5 and 24.9 indicates that you have a normal weight or you are at a healthy weight for your height. By maintaining a healthy weight, you lower your risk of developing serious health problems. A BMI between 25 and 29.9 indicates that you are slightly overweight and you may be advised to lose some weight for health reasons. A BMI above 30 means that the person is obese. Between 30 and 34.9, the person is class 1 obesity. Between 35 to 39.9, the person is class 2 obesity. And a person whose BMI is more than 40 is considered as class 3 obesity, and his health may be at risk if he do not lose weight. Let's now start solving the questions. Describe the weight status category of the following individuals depending on their BMI. For the individual whose BMI is 31, according to this table, he belongs to class 1 obesity, whereas the individual of BMI equals to 42 is class 3 obesity. Calculate the BMI, then determine the class to which Ahmed belongs, knowing that his weight is 85 kilograms and his height is 175 centimeters. What advice would you give him? First of all, to calculate his BMI, I'll use the formula BMI equals weight in kilograms divided by the square of height in meters squared. In this question, the height is given in centimeter, so I should convert from centimeter to meter by dividing the height by 100. Then, by substituting these numbers in the formula, I will get the BMI equals to 27.7. According to the table, 27.7 is between 25 and 29.9. So, Ahmed is overweight. He should lose some weight in order to avoid health problems. That's why we advise him to play sports and eat less carbohydrates and lipids to maintain a healthy weight. Let's have another question. Calculate the BMI, then determine the category to which Hamad belongs, knowing that his weight is 90 kilograms and his height is 1.7 meters. So here in this question, they gave me the height in meters. I will use the formula of BMI. So I will divide 90 divided by 1.7 squared. The answer is 31. The category to which Hamad belongs is class 1 obesity. As a summary, we explained that if the calories consumed from food was equal to the calories burned by the body, this shows that you have a healthy weight, which can be determined by measuring the BMI. If your BMI is more than 30, for example here, if it's 36, then this shows that you are class 2 obesity. We advise you to play sports. Whereas if the BMI is less than 18.5, which is in this case 17, so you are underweight.